guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for watching. So today I want to do a transformation. I hope you stay tuned and you watch the entire makeup tutorial. Still, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button and subscribe, and also put the notification button on for my videos to come. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I'll moisturize my lips, and I'm using the Cassio balm. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Davis eye pencil in the number 3. I'll quickly do my eyebrows. I'll first just brush them. Then the next thing I do, I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow gel, and then I come and use this to just lay my eyebrow hairs to make sure they don't pop up. So when I'm done, I go with my concealer, and I'm using the shade Chestnut to define my brows. Start from here. When I'm done, again with my spoolie, and brush this top bit. So when I'm done, I'm using the concealer as my base to prime my lid, and with my damp sponge, I use this tip. Then I'm taking my invisible powder. You can take any powder, and then just setting the concealer to make it smooth. So today I'll be using the Huda palette, the new Stargirl eyeshadow palette, and I'll start with the shade Da. If you can see this shade here, Da, and put that on top of my crease. So when I'm done, I'm going again with the shade Addis. The shade Addis. Then I'm gonna take another brush to precisely go on my lid and just like bring it out. I'm going to use this color, Mogadishu, and I'm just going to put that still on top of my crease. I'm not putting concealer, I'm not cutting any crease. So what I'll do, I'll take a brush like this, and I'm taking this, my makeup eyeshadow palette. It's full of shimmery colors. I'm gonna use this shimmer. Now slowly tap it, and I'm bringing it on top. I'm going to take another shimmery shade, the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Slightly mixing the two. So that's it. It doesn't have to be, the light is too much. It doesn't have to be like too precise the way when you do a cut crease, just a little bit of shimmer. And then now go to my lashes, and then I'm using Bare Mineral Mascara Lash Domination, taking off the excess, and I'm using Iman lashes called Boss Lady. So I'll put them off camera and I'll be back to continue. I've already put my lashes on. So what I'll do, I'll take the two colors that I've used and come and blend the edges here. And then because I did not apply eyeliner, what I'll do, I'll take a brush like this, and I'm slowly gonna go with this shade Juba. It's called Juba, this dark shade, and I'll put that and come back. You can use a pencil to cover the lines so they don't show off that much. And then I'll start with my primer. I'm using my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating Primer. So after priming, I'm going to use my orange color corrector and correct some of my dark areas, which is here around my mouth. And then I'll take my sponge. When I'm done, I'm taking my brush and my powder, the invisible, and I'm just going to cover this for it not to move, because if you don't put powder, it basically moves and means that orange color didn't work. And then I'm going to use my Born to Glow again. You can put it before makeup or after. Then with my foundation, I'll be using my Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. And then with my damp beauty blender, that was the first coat, so I'm going to go in the second, just cover like the real places that need under my mouth, usually a big problem. I need more just to make it full coverage. So I'm slowly bringing it down to my neck, and then when I'm done, I take my foundation brush and just blend. Next step, I'm using my the shade Fawn concealer I like to highlight. Use my sponge on this side, but first I'm going to spray it using my badescu skincare spray. Yes. To contour, I'm using my foundation 365 Fit Me foundation Maybelline, which is, I think, a shade darker than me. Just take this small brush to help apply. After foundation, your face goes flat, so contouring and highlighting give it a definition. I'll be using the Airspun setting powder. And blend it as I go. To blend my under eye because it's hard to reach there. So next thing I do, I want to contour my nose, which I forgot to do when I was contouring, so I'll come back to my nose. And then I'll use my baby sponge. I'll take my LA Pro Face powder and I'll just use that to set my face first before. And then when I'm done, I'm going to use, today I'll be using this palette almost for everything. So I'm going to use the shade Juba again. Here, the shade Juba, to contour my face. And then I'll use the setting powder to cut the edge here, and then just brush it. And then I'll use the same shade to contour my nose, the powder. I'm going to mix a little bit of darker and Daula as my blush. So mix the two. Use that. And then now, so I'm going to use the shade Dakar that I've used to clean, and then I'm using my invisible powder to clean here. Apply mascara to my lower lashes. Take this butter bronze, the bronzer. It's not really the dark one, but I use it to just help. It is a shimmery one. Help define that face. And then I'll go again with that Juba shade that I used to contour my jawline. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this shade here, Double Run. So first I'll spray my face with this one first. I'm going in with my brush to blend the highlighter because we don't want harsh lines. I think I can add just a little bit more. And then you'll go on my lips. So for my lips, I'll start with the shade Rare, the Satin lipstick. It's a nude shade. And then I'm going to mix it with the shade Charm, still satin lipstick, but this is almost like nude pinkish. And it's a little bit glossy. Then I'll take this sponge just to clean. I'm going to take a lip gloss. You can take any, because I want it to look shimmery a little bit, so I use that. And then lastly, spray. I'm using the Insta Fix and Go setting spray. And then I can just use my sponge. I'm going to brush this again. And then now, I'll use the same shade that I've used to highlight on my brow bone. Can use the same shade again on my inner corner. So guys, this is the final look. Just a little bit soft glam that looks nudish and having some glow on your face and some blush to add a little bit of color. And I hope you like this soft glam, and if you're willing to try it and tell me your thoughts on the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.